Done by the Fleetwoods and then Bobby Vee. And it has one of those intros where it's kind of, they do this whole intro that's like vo 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 for the song. So I decided to pretty much skip that. What I'm going to do is going to try to sing the end of that va 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 intro. Let me see. But if you decide, but if you decide, but if you decide to call on me. There you go. Oh, nice, huh? So that's an A. So that's a 9, A9. A minor 9 with the 9 tucked in the middle. But if you decide to call on me. Well, that's low. Am I in the right key? Yeah. As for Mr. Blue, I'm Mr. Blue. Do I, when you say you love me, then prove it by going out on the slide, proving your love isn't true. Call me Mr. Blue. Mr. Blue, do wow, when you say you're sorry, then turn around, heading for the lights of town, hurl me through and through, call me Mr. Blue. I sit alone at home at night, right by the phone and but you won't call and I won't hurt my pride. I'm Mr. Blue. I got too excited. Mr. Blue. Do wow when you paint the town a bright red to turn it upside down. I'm painting it too. Call me Mr. Blue. Wow. Call me Mr. Blue. Wow. Call me Mr. Blue. Wow. Call me Mr. Blue. Wow, that was nice. How many of you remember that song? Because, you know, those were the kind of sappy love songs that we totally fell in love with. And they're so easy to do on ukulele, you know, if you really wanted to do it. Another one would be, let me just stay on this for a second because I love pop music. A fateful night, I got I've got a railroad tracks. Do and then come running back. Something like that. Teen angel, can you hear me? Teen angel, can you see me? I somewhere up above, or something, your new true love. Well, I mean, that is pathos, you know, that is pathos on a plate. That is hot pathos with oatmeal. I mean, you can just suck that stuff right down. We loved it. I remember one night we were so afraid that the dam above us was going to burst because there was a huge typhoon. I mean, the dam wasn't that close, but all of a sudden Gene and I got in our heads that we were going to die. This typhoon was really laying it on us. And we were shivered by the radio, and that song came on, and it just, you know, was kind of, it calmed us down. You know, it was mollifying. Okay, so, well, that was really good. Let me just